Hi. Last week I received project documents, and again, 1 week later than agreed. My first thought was, why is it so hard in business to simply stick to your commitments? I'm Thorsten Peter from H Design and Build. Let me show you something. Okay, this is the email. Can you see when the email arrived? It's today. Project start was 21st November, 1 week too late. Why is it so difficult? Seriously, this is the start of the project. If the documents are submitted too late, how are we supposed to take this seriously then? For me, reliability and quality is non-negotiable. At this core value, we live this every single day at H Design and Build. We delivered on time and keep our commitments. Seriously. Because reliability isn't a soft skill or a hollow phrase in an offer text. It's the foundation of every successful project.